What did I get myself into? Alright you guys, today I am going to be doing a review on a wig that I got from Amazon. It was the cheapest wig I can find on Amazon. Well, the cheapest curly wig I can find on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and do a review. We're going to see how this turns out. I have not pulled out the hair yet, so I have no idea what it looks like, but we're going to find out together and we're going to see if this works. You guys know I always say I can slay just about everything or anything, but this might be a challenge. Oh, by the way, it came in this little bag. Looks like the company's name is Amore. I got this wig for $9.99. You guys can see I'll post like exactly how I was able to figure out that it was the cheapest curly wig online. And it comes with a weaving cap. And here's the wig. You guys are ready? $9.99, guys. All right. Here it is. All right, let's see. Okay, I mean, it's not as horrible as I thought it would be. I feel like I used to buy wigs like these back in the day, like curly wigs like this. Okay, so there's no lace. Ooh, guys, it looks so nappy at the roots. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys, I have my work cut out for me. The curls look okay. The only thing that I would say is that once I pull these curls apart, this wig might be like giving me some serious old school Diana Ross vibes. So I don't know if I want to go through with that. I don't know if I want to comb this wig out. It's just so big, the curls, I know, because it's long. All right, guys, so let's pop this baby on and let's see what we can do. All right, well, first, before I do that, actually, I want to show you guys, there's a clip here in the front, and we have some bands on the sides for tightening. Let's see, guys, why am I nervous? I'm so nervous. I feel like this is gonna be ugly, and I don't want to put anything ugly on my channel, but you know what? This is all for fun and giggles, so either way, we'll make it work. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. So here's the thing. Here's where, oh my gosh, guys. You guys. Okay. Here's the issue that I'm having is how am I gonna make this thing look realistic? God, who made this? All right. We can figure this out. We're gonna figure this out. I feel like The Grudge. What did I get myself into? Hey, I'm doing this for you guys because, guys, I don't know if this is gonna, all right. You know what? I'm up for the challenge. We're gonna slay this wig. We're gonna finesse it. We're gonna do something. So, you know what? Let's get to work. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Tell me what you guys think down below. Do you guys think I slayed this wig or not? I don't really know. It was really hard, but I was able to get a few looks out of it. So if you guys want to go and buy this wig for $10, you can. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, you could probably get like one use out of it. After pulling my fingers through it and messing with it a lot, it's like really nappy now. So I probably won't ever wear this wig ever again. I mean, I might if I'm desperate, but probably not. So you guys let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry this video took so long to come out, but I have more content in the works for you guys. I know my last Repticon video left off letting you guys know. Stay tuned to see what I got from Repticon. That video is still coming. I promise you it's still coming. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And let me know what you guys think about this look. I think I did a good job, you guys. With the status and state of this wig, I think I did a really good job, you know, because you guys don't know. You guys don't know. Order it and see, okay? Because this was hard. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.